Chart's a couple of months old, and if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Kani gajingja kadi kabelaja ka khala tarik umna Julai arja arsau hakapor bo Donald Trump udang lai ban campaign di penyelap election nakam tak jinga jit di presiden jokari Amerika. Trump unalaj yam nak ketika jingjah ka boy beri ulah set dakar automatic rifle yu badu kuli ro shili salit nak skor ke joku. Menta kamba saubna hadian jong ketika jingjah Donald Trump ulah sajit biang kem presiden jokari Amerika bad ulong presiden ubah sau punyau. Hadian bau Trump ulah jawab aksam ajakan ri ulah ramno aksam ajar arpau. Pada kejingkan jong Trump ulah ong ketika jingjah ka belaja ka khala tarik kedai ka bau Blei ulah pelai yam ya ke jong bad kene ke pelai yam kedai bau Blei udan ka dau bad kata ka dau kalong. Nang bau Trump kumu present unyo ban pelai yam ya kari Amerika bat kumjuru ban peluang bang sesien ya kari Amerika kari ka bakrabor bat kari ka bakhlan aga joko poru Trump ru ulai thu bah ka por bo long presiden macam ladan kenu katma ndai kai ka ba raja ka jing long presiden ju ka long bo la pendam la ne pendam ya kileno ISIS
away from the liquid gold. Other than that, go have a good time, Bobby. We're going to be paying down debt. We're going to be reducing taxes. We can do things that nobody else can do. Nobody else is going to be able to do it. China doesn't have what we have. Nobody has what we have. But we have the greatest people also. Maybe that's the most important thing. This campaign has been so historic in so many ways. We've built the biggest, the broadest, the most unified coalition. They've never seen anything like it in all of American history. They've never seen any young and old, men and women, rural and urban. And we had them all helping us tonight. When you think, I mean, I was looking at it, I was watching it. They had some great analysis of the people that voted for us. Nobody's ever seen anything like that. They came from all corners, union, non-union, African American, Hispanic American, Asian American, Arab American, Muslim American. We had everybody, and it was beautiful. It was a historic realignment, uniting citizens of all backgrounds around a common core of common sense. You know, we're the party of common sense. We want to have borders. We want to have security. We want to have things be good, safe. We want great education. We want a strong and powerful military, and ideally we don't have to use it. You know, we had no wars. 4 years we had no wars, except we defeated ISIS. We defeated ISIS in record time. But we had no wars. They said, he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. But this is also a massive victory for democracy and for freedom. Together we're going to unlock America's glorious destiny, and we're going to achieve the most incredible future for our people. Yesterday, as I stood at my last stop on the campaign trail, I'll never be doing a rally again. Can you believe it? I think we've done 900 rallies approximately from them. Can you imagine? 901 something, a lot of rallies. And it was sad. Everybody was sad. Many people, I said, this is our last rally. But now we're going on to something that's far more important, because the rallies were used for us to be put in this position where we can really help our country. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make our country better than it ever has been. And I said that many people have told me that God spared my life for a reason. And that reason was to save our country and to restore America to greatness. And now we are going to fulfill that mission together. We're going to fulfill that mission. The task before us will not be easy, but I will bring every ounce of